Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a loose sun visor in your Toyota Camry. A drooping visor is more than just an annoyance. It can seriously block your vision and create a safety hazard while driving. Fortunately, many common sun visor problems can be resolved with some simple tools and a bit of patience. We'll walk you through the process step by step, helping you restore full functionality to your visor. First, let's identify why your sun visor is misbehaving. The most frequent culprit is a worn internal pivot mechanism within the visor itself, which loses its ability to hold the visor in place. Sometimes, the entire visor arm might detach from its ceiling mount, or the plastic housing around the pivot point could be cracked. Carefully examine your visor for these signs to determine the best repair approach. Once you've identified the issue, you have a couple of options. For slight looseness, a specialized repair kit, often costing around $20, can reinforce the internal pivot and restore tension. If the visor is significantly damaged or completely broken, replacing the entire unit is usually the best solution. New visors, whether original equipment or aftermarket, are designed to easily snap into your Camry's existing mounting points. Installing a new visor is quite straightforward. Begin by gently prying down the plastic trim piece covering the mounting area using a non-marring trim tool. If your visor has a vanity light, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. Then, simply align the new visor with the mounting holes, push it firmly until the clips engage, and snap the trim piece back into place. Test its movement to ensure it stays up securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.